What if a simple sewing project could change the way you see yourself? Let me show you what I mean. A student begins a skirt project. Before a single cut, the fabric goes into the wash. That is preparation. Understanding that what you start with must be ready before you can build on it. She measures. The numbers on her paper and the fabric in her hands do not match. She measures again. That is humility, the willingness to check yourself and begin from what is true. The zipper resists. She works it. She stays. That is persistence, choosing to remain when the work pushes back. A seam goes in wrong. She picks it out slowly, without anger. That is patience, the quiet strength to undo and begin again without losing yourself. Then the skirt is finished. She holds it. She puts it on. Something shifts in how she stands. That is confidence. And it came from every hard moment she moved through to get there. The skirt was never just a skirt. It was a teacher. Now, imagine an entire lifetime of doing that. Every garment teaches more than construction. It teaches patience when seams aren't straight, problem solving when patterns don't fit. It teaches resourcefulness when there isn't enough fabric for a project, and confidence when something difficult finally works. But long before you notice the finished garment, sewing has quietly been building something else. It has been building your character. Sewing teaches your hands how to measure, how to cut, how to press, how to control a machine, how to work with precision. These skills live with you long after the project is done. Sewing teaches your mind. You plan before you cut. You sequence every step. You visualize the finished piece before it exists. You calculate, you interpret, you think critically. Every project is a quiet mental workout. Sewing teaches your character. Patience because you develop the capacity to tolerate or accept delay if it comes. Perseverance because you stay when it gets difficult. Resilience because you begin again after mistakes. Confidence because you finish what you started. Independence because you learn to trust yourself. Sewing teaches your life how to budget, how to manage your time, how to stay organized, how to be resourceful, how to meet a deadline, how to make decisions under pressure. These lessons travel far beyond the sewing machine and the sewing room. Sewing teaches relationships. It teaches you to communicate clearly, to ask good questions, to learn from others, and to teach what you know. Also, sometimes the most generous thing you can give someone is something beautifully handmade. You learn to solve problems. Every person who sews knows the feeling. You discover you are how many inches short of fabric. The zipper won't cooperate. The sleeve doesn't fit. Somewhere in the middle of frustration, your brain keeps asking or begins asking, what if I tried this instead? And that habit doesn't stay in the sewing room. It goes with you. Over time, you develop a remarkable capability. After all the years of sewing, you are just capable. Need curtains? You know how. Need to shorten pants? You know how. Need Halloween costumes by Friday? You know how. Need to recover dining chairs? You'll figure it out. Sewing quietly teaches something powerful. I've never done this before, but I probably can learn. That confidence spills into every area of your life. In sewing, every project has two outcomes. You don't see it because it's invisible. So you make something, a dress, curtains, a quilt, a costume, a pair of pants, whatever it is, but you finished the project. The project makes you more patient, perhaps more observant, resourceful, courageous, confident, or more capable. That second half is almost invisible. Yet, it is the greater gift. A person who learns to sew rarely learns only sewing. They learn observation, patience, resourcefulness, courage, and perhaps most importantly, they stop being intimidated by making things. We often think sewing teaches us how to make clothes. It does. But that's only the visible lesson. Hidden beneath every seam is another education. Sewing quietly teaches us skills we carry into every part of our lives. Those are usually called transferable skills. I simply call them the gifts that never stay in the sewing room.